When summer temperatures soar, a reliable air conditioner becomes a lifeline for staying cool and comfortable indoors. Hisense air conditioners are known for their quality performance, but like any electronic device, they may encounter occasional errors. Among these, the E5 error code can cause concern among users. In this video, we'll explore what the Hisense E5 error entails and provide some troubleshooting tips to help you resolve the issue promptly. The E5 error on your Hisense air conditioner is an indication that something is malfunctioning within the system. When this error occurs, the unit might stop cooling or functioning altogether. Unfortunately, the error code itself does not provide specific details about the underlying problem, leaving users perplexed. Several factors could trigger the E5 error on your Hisense air conditioner. These may include issues with the internal circuitry, sensor malfunctions, refrigerant leaks, or faulty temperature sensors. Additionally, power fluctuations or improper installation could also contribute to this error. Start by turning off the air conditioner and unplugging it from the power source. Wait for a few minutes before plugging it back in and restarting the unit. Sometimes the simple power cycle can reset the internal electronics and clear the error. Clogged or dirty air filters can impede airflow and lead to temperature irregularities. Clean or replace the filters as necessary, ensuring proper airflow for efficient cooling. If the air conditioner was recently installed or moved, check that it is correctly set up and balanced on flat surface. Incorrect installation can lead to sensor inaccuracies and trigger the E5 error. If the error persists after trying the basic troubleshooting steps, it is best to seek professional help. Contact an authorized Hisense service center to diagnose and address the underlying issues accurately. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.